Have you ever wondered how a giraffe and a mouse can both be animals? Or how your pet dog is related to a wild wolf? Where did all the amazing animals and plants in our world come from? The answer is a story that's been unfolding for millions of years. A story of change, survival, and connection. Just like you have parents and grandparents, every living thing has a family tree that stretches back through time. This story is called evolution. Life began with tiny, simple creatures, and over ages, those little changes added up to the incredible variety we see today. Every living thing, from bees to trees to people, is part of this ongoing adventure. Evolution explains why fish have fins, birds have wings, and why we're all connected. Let's dive in and discover how this amazing process works. So what is evolution? It's the idea that living things change over a long time. Not just one animal, but whole groups over many generations. Imagine a recipe that changes a little each time it's made. After thousands of tries, it's a whole new dish. That's what evolution does with life. These changes happen by accident when new babies are born, and most don't matter much. But sometimes, a small change is helpful, like a white rabbit in the snow, who's harder for foxes to spot. Over time, helpful changes add up, and animals and plants become better suited to where they live. This is called adaptation. A cactus holds water in the desert because long ago the best water savers survived. Evolution isn't a plan. It's a process of trying out tiny differences. The world chooses which versions work best. Over millions of years, these small changes create the amazing variety of life we see today. Evolution is the ultimate story of change. Evolution happens so slowly, you'd never notice it in a single lifetime. It's like a mountain being shaped by wind and rain. Tiny changes add up over ages. Take giraffes. Their ancestors had shorter necks and ate leaves from trees. When food was scarce, those with slightly longer necks could reach higher leaves and survived better. They had more babies, who also had longer necks. Over many generations, giraffes' necks got longer and longer. It wasn't one giraffe stretching, it was a whole group changing step by step. That's how small advantages repeated over time shape the animals we see today. Evolution is slow, but its results are extraordinary. How does nature choose which changes stick around? That's natural selection. Nature sets the challenges: finding food, avoiding predators, surviving the weather. The animals and plants with helpful traits survive and have more babies, passing those traits on. Imagine brown rabbits in the snow. A white rabbit, born by chance, is harder for foxes to spot. The white rabbit survives, has babies, and soon there are more white rabbits. Over time, the helpful trait, white fur, spreads through the population. Nature didn't plan it. It just happened because white fur worked best in that place. Natural selection is like a filter, letting the best-suited traits through. It's how life adapts to its environment, one tiny change at a time. That's the power of natural selection. It's nature's way of shaping life. Over millions of years, small changes can add up to something big, a whole new species. A species is a group that can have babies together, like all dogs or all lions. Let's imagine birds blown to a new island with different food. Some birds have longer beaks, perfect for nectar. Others have stronger beaks for nuts. The birds best suited to the new foods survive and have more babies. Over thousands of years, these groups become so different they can't have babies together anymore. They've become new species. This process called speciation is how one group can split into many. It's how life keeps branching out, creating new forms. Evolution is always making something new. Evolution isn't just history, it's happening all around us, right now. Bacteria, for example, can quickly evolve to resist medicines, forcing doctors to find new treatments. In cities, some birds sing higher to be heard over traffic, slowly changing their songs compared to country birds. Even moths change color to match their environment, and fish adapt to live in dark caves. Evolution is a living story, always unfolding. It shows us that all life is connected in a web of change. Diversity and adaptation make our planet special. So stay curious and keep asking questions. Every creature has an incredible story of survival and change, and you're part of that story too. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and hit the like button. Let's keep exploring together.